Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Today we are going to learn another interesting part of Chinese characters called radicals. Are you ready? Let's go! When we talk about radicals, some of you may ask me, why should we learn radicals? So let me tell you. Radicals are parts of Chinese characters that can help you to understand the meaning of the character. The first character is 口. As you can see, it looks like a big open mouth, right? So characters with this radical are normally related to eating or drinking. The next radical we will learn is 日. Just add one small stroke inside the 口, and then you've done it. This radical is related to sun or day. Here you can see why these characters means the sun. Here we are. These are the two radicals we need to learn today. 口 and 日. They are not too difficult. Here is a small test for you. Try to find 3 characters we learned before that contain these two radicals. Don't forget to take a picture after you finish your work.